Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into Wix Studio, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create new pages and add them to your site's menu. If you've ever wanted to expand your website with more sections, like an About page, a Services page, or anything else, this walkthrough will give you the confidence to do it step by step. By the end, you'll know not only how to build your pages in Wix Studio, but also how to make sure visitors can actually find them in your menu. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's add the pages you want. To do this, start by heading over to the Pages section in Wix Studio. You'll usually find this in the left sidebar. It functions as the backbone for your sitemap. Just like the rooms in a house, each page is a place for your visitors to explore. So it's important to think about what kind of environment or content you want to create. To add a new page, simply click Add New Pages. It's as easy as pressing a button, but don't rush. Take a moment to consider what this new page is for and name it something that makes sense. Clear naming not only helps you as the website owner, but makes it much easier for your visitors to navigate later. Once you've created the page and given it a name, like Contact Us or Blog, you can start designing it. This part is where the creativity kicks in. Wix Studio makes it straightforward. You can drag and drop different elements, add text, change the background, and set images. So experiment a bit until things look just right. If you're new to web design, don't worry. Think about how you want your visitors to feel when they land on this page. Maybe a welcoming message, a strong headline, or some engaging visuals can help get your key message across. After you've got your new pages set up, it's time to make sure people can find them. This is where we link them to your site's navigation menu. Go to Add Element. Again, you'll see this in your design menu, usually represented by a plus sign. Type Menu in the search bar. Wix Studio has different menu layouts you can choose from, but for most websites, placing the menu in your site's header is the go-to choice. It's like putting up clear street signs in your neighborhood, making sure everyone knows exactly where to go. Drag and drop the menu element onto your header section. Once the menu is there, click Edit Menu. Here you'll see an option to Manage Menu. Take a moment here. Wix makes it easy, but you want to ensure you're adding your brand new pages so visitors can actually reach them. Click Add Items, then select the pages you just created. All it takes is a few clicks, and each one of your newly crafted pages gets neatly slotted into your main navigation. When you've added all your pages, take a deep breath and hit Preview. This step might take a few moments as Wix loads up your freshly updated site. Now's your chance to test everything. Click through your menu, make sure each page loads the way you want, and tweak anything that doesn't feel quite right. Remember, websites evolve, so it's perfectly normal to make a few adjustments along the way. And that's it. Now you've not only created new pages in Wix Studio, but you've made them easily accessible via your site's menu. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if you ran into trouble in any of the steps, drop a comment below. I check everyone, and I'm happy to help. If you like tutorials like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future guides. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!